Hi, my name is Dex from myconsult, and since 2003 we have been helping business owners simplify their accounting processes. So we actually started this YouTube channel so that we can help even more people use their systems more effectively. So if you like what we are doing today, do like and subscribe to support us. Alright, so in today's video, what we are going to do is we are looking into transactions in multiple currency. So in Malaysia, our base currency is always MYR. Then of course, you might deal with customers that are using US dollar, for example. Alright, so let's say for example, we want a customer or we want to create a customer that is in US dollar. First of all, we must make sure we have that currency in the system. So we come to general maintenance here. Here got currency maintenance. We have to make sure we have a US dollar. So here we have already the US dollar. So of course now the exchange rate here is 4. We can always come in here, we can always go and amend it. So maybe we want to put the rate is 4.7. Okay, if you want to put the rate as a bit higher. Okay, so once it's done, we can close this. Then now next one, we will need to create your customer. So we come debtor maintenance. We will key in the customer name, US dollar customer. Okay. So the next thing that we need to do is, of course, we must correctly select the currency. So here, instead of MYR, we need to change this. This is a US dollar customer. Once we're done, we just press save. Okay. So let's say, for example, now we want to create an invoice to this customer in US dollar. So all we just need to do is come to invoice here. Here we select US dollar customer. And then we press plus. And then from here, we can select your product that you want to sell to him. So example, maybe this product, and we want to sell it at 1,000. Okay, so once we set, this is in US dollar, 1,000 US dollar at one quantity. So the system will automatically take the exchange rate that I've put inside there just now. So 4.7 here. Of course, we can still manually and intervene it, and we can put the 4.66 if that's the rate for today. And then the system will then calculate what is my local total value. Okay, so once we're done, we just press save, and that part is done. Okay, and now let's say for example the customer wants to make payment to you right now. Okay, so we can come here to AR payment. We can select our customer again, US dollar customer, and then here we can select our payment method or where the money is going to go into. So of course, sometimes you have a US dollar bank account, it goes into a US dollar bank account, but for today's example, we are going to go to our MYR account. Okay, so we put MYR. We can put in their IBG number, can put in a number, and then we can say, okay, today the customer pays me 1,000 ringgit. Okay, so then we will knock off 1,000 ringgit from here. Alright, so the system again will automatically pick up the default rate. However, the bank will always give you what was the bank exchange rate when the transaction happened. So maybe the transaction happened at 4.752 or 12. Okay, so once we're done, straight away the system will tell me, based on this exchange rate, I will get local amount of $4,751. Of course, just now remember we put at 4.6, then we only supposed to get 4,600. Alright, so once we're done, we just press save. The system will automatically create for you an entry. Okay, there is a gain of $91.20. Alright, so if you say okay, the system will automatically post for you a gain on forex exchange. Alright, so this is actually how easy it is to manage customers or even suppliers in multiple currency inside AutoCount. If you like us to do another video, just leave it in the comment below and we'll try to do it as soon as possible. Thank you.